And that is a fact. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So recently I was approached by a brand called Matrix Keyboards, and instead of it being the usual kind of review email, I was asked if I was interested in a partnership with them. So before I gave them an answer to their original email, I asked if it was possible to try out a keyboard for myself. And this is what they sent me out. The model that my setup is based off of is the Elite 1 series, which is a 60% keyboard. There's a couple of modifications to this that are not of the norm. The factory silver switches have been swapped out for Matrix's own black and red switches with an O-ring under each key. Furthermore, there's also a silicone plate in between the PCB and aluminium plate, along with a layer of black foam on the bottom to further dampen the sound. Alongside this and the custom pudding keycaps on the outside, Matrix also included some of their rubberized keycaps, which I can happily say really do offer more grip than usual. And as well as these, they threw in a couple of extra keycaps for the spacebar that are customized. However, I really do love the look of my setup, so I won't be adding this in. Now, the main question you're probably asking is, how does it sound after all this? Now, I have only ever owned a full-size keyboard or 80% keyboard, also known as a TKL, and I was always a little bit apprehensive about going down a size smaller. But I can tell you one thing, I'm very glad that I did. My last experience of a keyboard that was tailored towards gamers and streamers that I bought with my own money and had in my setup was that of the Razer Huntsman. But oh my god, that keyboard was so freaking loud, and if you don't believe me, here's a comparison between the two. So this Matrix keyboard has completely changed my understanding of how a keyboard tailored towards gamers and even more so streamers should be. Because as we all know, there's nothing more frustrating when your keyboard is literally louder than your voice on comms or on stream. With some of these modifications, you can also tailor, say for example, O-rings or different keycaps to your current keyboard. Before the Matrix Elite 1, I was using a Logitech G915 TKL, and that was a pure joy to type on. But I often found when I went back to keyboards that didn't have the low profile chiclet keys that I would constantly mistype and struggle to play games on. But there was none of that with the Elite one. The rubberized keycaps kept their grip when playing Apex, and I didn't mash the keys so much like I would trying to return back to a full profile keyboard. The software allows for easy customization, and they also have some video tutorials on how to customize the RGB effects and custom keys for media controls using the function feature, which can't really be said for some other more individual unique options in this space. After using the customized Elite 1 for almost a month now, I can safely say that my mind really has been made up. And I don't think I actually want to return back to my Logitech or Razer keyboards of previous years. Yes, this may be a cabled solution, that of which I've been trying to get away from for so long, but I can't argue with the results overall, and the whole look of the setup is just... From my day-to-day coding as a developer to a casual gamer and streamer, I haven't felt this comfortable with a keyboard under my fingertips in what I can confidently say is... ever. It's absolutely incredible. And after all of this, I'm extremely excited to announce that on my content creator journey, that we are now officially partnered with Matrix Keyboards on this channel and on Twitch. I can comfortably say that on all my years of PC gaming and owning probably 5 to 6 different keyboards of the past 3 years, this is definitely the best one I've had the pleasure of using. So, if you're looking to set yourself up with some new keyboards or some new keyboard accessories, please head down to the website down below and you can use the code COLINHORN to get 10% off your order. Please do note though that they are a US based company, so shipping times can vary as they are a smaller outlet, but I can tell you the wait is worth it. But anyways guys, that's all for me in this video. If you want to see more videos of this in the future with more product reviews, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like the video as well. But until the next one, I'll catch you then. See ya.